welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, happy Valentine's Day. I just wanted to start and say happy Valentine's Day. Happy Love Day, okay? I hope you all are going to have a good time. And if you're not, honey, and you are single for the Valentine's Day, I have the perfect snack for you, sis, okay? Honey, trickle on down to Target and let's get True Fruit, okay? And these are the chocolate covered strawberries. So if you like a good chocolate, you're gonna love this video, okay? It's all about chocolate, and I had to come on. Now this, honey, you get you some champagne or some wine or whatever you sipping on, okay? Run that good old bubble bath and hit yourself up with these. No wrong, okay? I think I only have about 4 left. So I think I have about 4 left in here, honey. These are so good. These have the chocolate on top, but white chocolate on the inside, and then you get to that frozen strawberry. It is amazing. So trickle on down to Target. You definitely want this, honey. And if you want to smell like a good old chocolate and strawberry, I had to start off with my first combination, honey. The only combination I have on this is trickle on down to Chocolate Queen with Navitus, okay? And this is in partnership with Gabby Loves Perfumes. Honey, when I tell you Miss Gabby didn't do us any wrong, Chocolate Queen has the chocolate fudge, has all the chocolate you want, honey. But you pair that with Joussette's Accidente La Vanille, and this is the berry one, honey. So that's that strawberry for you. That strawberry and chocolate you want to smell. Ooh, baby, don't hurt them. Girl, even if you by yourself, you might hurt whoever is around you. You gonna hurt them with this combo. When I tell you, if you want to smell like a good old chocolate covered strawberry.
Strawberry jacuzzi!
This is that chocolate covered strawberry. I fool you not, sis. This is amazing, okay? Oh my goodness, I mean, just thinking about it. I just get so full thinking about it. So your strawberry, kind of a milky strawberry, right? Oh, but this chocolate and sitting on top of this is a great combination. You want it. Does it last? Yup. If you're single and maybe you want to pick up somebody on Valentine's Day. Yup. This is such a great pairing combination. I kid you not. You want all the boys, all the girls, bring them to the yard. This is what you want. Thank me later. Your sis always hooks you up, okay? Remember that. So keeping on and talking about chocolate, I have to trickle down to chocolate, dark chocolate, and I'm talking about none other than Dua's dark chocolate rum and vanilla. This is amazing, and it gives you all those vibes, the rum, the vanilla, and the dark chocolate. This is so pretty, okay? But you, again, have to be going for that vibe. You have to be wanting, a little bit of chocolate. And you got that chocolate skin and adding chocolate to it. You already know. I know you know. We here. We see each other. But this is so good from Dua. And again, Dua is a very affordable brand. This is probably $33 on the site because I'm sure they're having a sale. But this gives you your warm, spicy cacao, okay? Chocolate gives you that rum. It is amazing. It's like that boozy but dark chocolate, bringing it onto the vanilla, so it gives this like creamy type of vibe. With that rum, it is so good, sis. When I say It is amazing. It is perfect if you're looking for a chocolate, okay, in your fragrance wardrobe. This is what you want. I love this. Love it down. And let it sit. Look at the juice. I'm telling you, it will steer you no wrong. The longevity on this, top tier. Even though it's a $33 fragrance, don't play with it. Don't play with it, okay? She still gives you what you need, okay, for the lasting power that you need it for. We know. Okay. Moving on. Next up, if you're looking for a caramel white chocolate, okay, Madagascar vanilla type of fragrance, look no further than Pinrose, and this is Secret Genius. When I say this fragrance is a secret genius, honey, that white chocolate, ooh, that white chocolate, that Madagascar vanilla, it gives you this powdery, like a real pretty powdery, like a feminine powder. Oh, but it just creeps on with that creamy white chocolate and caramel. Steers you no wrong. I would highly suggest for a chocolate fragrance in your collection, please do yourself a favor and add this. Now, longevity, sis, does this last long? I mean, it does give you about 4 hours, but you can sneak this and put this in your purse and re-up, and who's checking you? Nobody. This is amazing. I would highly recommend you put this in your fragrance wardrobe. It will not steer you wrong, especially for the night, okay? And let's say you can't get your hands on this tonight, right? But when I say if you run in to someone that you want to spend other nights with, this can be the second date, first date, night, day. This is a goer, okay? I would highly recommend you get your nose, your hands, your life, okay? On this fragrance, honey, again, caramel white chocolate, Madagascar vanilla. Did I mention white chocolate? It's good, all right? Moving on. Honey, next up, let's talk about it. I am from Pennsylvania, okay? Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, let's be clear. Was born and raised as a child in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And if you know anything about Pennsylvania, you know we have Hershey Chocolate World, okay? Where the Hershey bar comes from, okay? It comes from, okay, Pennsylvania, if you didn't know. But if anybody is familiar with that town, when you go into that town, you smell chocolate. It's like chocolate in the air. It gives you Willy Wonka. It definitely gives you Chocolate Factory if you've ever been, right? If you haven't, I would highly suggest you take your family. That is a great place to take them to. Hershey Chocolate World. It is so good. But make sure you eat first, because you're going to set yourself up going to some Hershey Chocolate World and you haven't eaten. Your sister done warned you. You're going to set yourself up. But anyway, talking about fragrance, honey, Geneva Chocolate from belayered. I don't know if we're talking about this. We're probably not, right? I don't even know if belayered is amongst us. I don't know. Is it still a company that's amongst us? Well, when it was Geneva, okay, all right, you see how much I've used chocolate. When I say it reminded me and brought me back to Hershey Chocolate World. This is chocolate on top of chocolate on top of chocolate on top of chocolate. I don't know what else you want. If you want chocolate and belayered is still amongst us, get you chocolate, okay? Geneva Chocolate, right? It reminded me of Hershey Chocolate World. It still to this day does. It is so good. This is a great one to get for a layering combination if you want to bring chocolate into the room, into your fragrance collection. Look no further than Geneva Chocolate. It is so good, so milky, and all the chocolate you could ever want. It reminds you of the Kit Kat, the Twix, the Hershey chocolate bar, the Reese's without the peanut butter. It just gives you all the chocolate you have ever wanted in your entire life.
He's gone mental on account of the chocolate.
And if you don't want that, honey, why are we here? Moving on. And last, but certainly not least, my favorite chocolate in my collection, I will have to say, my chocolate apricot. And you all know, if you know me, you've been on this channel, you already know what I'm about to say before I say it. And that is from Narcotica, Dolce Diablo. Honey, this is amazing. I absolutely love this chocolate apricot. Oh, it is so good, my gourmand lovers. If you're looking for a niche fragrance, but you're looking for something gourmand, but different, unique, but gourmand and fruity all at the same time. Okay, this is your gourmand, fruity, unique type of fragrance. I absolutely love this, adore this. I can wear this every day. Like, I literally have to eat before I wear this because I want to eat this.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know what to say. I want to consume this and eat it. Okay, a chocolate covered apricot, give it to me. Do you want to smell like that? Absolutely. Do you know me? So this is so good. I would highly recommend you get this longevity. Crisp, okay? It's amazing. Those that know, let them know in the comments. You already know, okay? I'm hooking them up. Chocolate on top of chocolate, but fruit, and so good, all right? It is delectable, delicious, all the D's that you can ever remember and think of. Well, that's all, family, for my top chocolate fragrances I have in my collection. What are some of your top chocolate fragrances you have in your collection? Do you want to be a chocolate for Valentine's Day? Trickle on down to Target. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.